What's the big deal about artificial general intelligence (AGI? Well, AGI is like the superhero of AI. While the AI we have now is good at specific tasks, AGI aims to be a genius at everything just like humans. It would be super smart, able to reason, plan, use common sense, and even understand dangers. Unlike today's AI, which is good at things like smartphone cameras or driving cars, AGI would be a master of all trades. So why the fuss about AGI? Companies and researchers are in a race to create AGI because it's like the final boss in the AI game. It's not just about doing one thing well, it's about doing everything exceptionally. ChatGPT, released in 2022, was a big hit and triggered this race for AGI. While ChatGPT is cool for chatting, AGI aims to be a superstar that can chat, plan, do math, create art, and handle any task you throw at it. The quest for artificial general intelligence has a historical backdrop dating back to the 1950s. Alan Turing's famous Turing test, conceived in 1950, laid the foundation by challenging machines to engage in text-based conversations indistinguishable from humans. Another milestone was the General Problem Solver, a 1956 computer program aiming to teach machines to use symbols to connect with the world, representing an early effort to achieve general intelligence. Fast forward to the present, and we witness the culmination of this journey in the form of advanced language models like ChatGPT and GPT-4. These models, although groundbreaking, represent a stepping stone towards AGI. According to Wei Xu, AGI is often referred to as the holy grail of computer science. It envisions a unified, intelligent being capable of seamlessly handling various tasks and problem-solving scenarios. However, the current models, while impressive, have limitations. Language models like ChatGPT, though revolutionary, lack the ability to generate entirely new ideas. As Lloyd Jones points out, the efficacy of AI models is tied to the quality of the data used to train them. While advancements have been made, there is still a gap in creating a perfect data set for tasks requiring creativity, such as generating new styles of art or poetry. Despite the remarkable progress, the timeline for achieving AGI remains uncertain. While some, like Lloyd Jones, estimate we might be 80% there in 5 years, others, like Canning's, express caution. Canning's emphasizes the challenges in creating an intelligent being that not only exhibits cognitive abilities, but also encompasses human experiences such as emotion, empathy, and sensing. He suggests that the pursuit of AGI goes beyond engineering feats and requires advancements in philosophical and psychological understanding. In essence, the road to AGI involves continuous technological development, grappling with philosophical questions, and addressing the psychological nuances that define human intelligence. While strides have been made, the full realization of AGI demands a multidisciplinary approach that considers both the technical and conceptual aspects of intelligence. One of the most interesting and challenging endeavors today is making AGI, or artificial general intelligence. To achieve AGI, we need to tackle tough technical problems and come up with new ways to develop AI. A big challenge in AGI development is creating an AI system that can learn and adapt to new situations just like humans. This means making powerful machine learning algorithms that can handle huge amounts of data and find important patterns. Another challenge is making an AI system that can understand the world like humans do. This involves putting different aspects like language, vision, and reasoning into one AI system. We also need a lot more computer power and data for AGI development. AGI systems need a ton of computational power to process and analyze data, and they need large amounts of data to learn and improve. To deal with these challenges, researchers are trying out new techniques in AI development like deep neural networks and reinforcement learning. They're also exploring new AI development ideas such as neurosymbolic AI, which combines machine learning with symbolic reasoning. Even with these challenges, there has been tremendous progress in creating AGI. Researchers and engineers are working really hard to build AI systems that have the same smarts and adaptability as humans. In the end, advancing AGI is a major step forward in the field of AI. By overcoming technical obstacles and trying new ways to develop AI, we can unlock AGI's full potential and make a better future for everyone. Moving towards developing AGI, it's crucial to think about the ethical side of this technology. AGI has the power to change many aspects of our lives, but it also brings risks if not developed responsibly. One major concern is that AGI could surpass human intelligence, leading to issues like job loss, economic problems, and even threats to our existence. Another problem is the potential for bias and discrimination in AGI systems if they are trained on unfair data. There is also a debate about whether we should even create AGI, with some suggesting it might be safer to focus on more limited AI systems. To tackle these ethical issues, it's important to develop AGI responsibly and transparently. This includes making sure AI systems benefit humanity, rigorous testing for safety and fairness, and involving a diverse group of people in discussions about AGI development. In summary, AGI development is a big step in AI, but it raises ethical concerns. We can harness the full potential of this technology and create a better future if we address these concerns and develop AGI in an ethical and transparent way. Looking ahead, the future impact of AGI is enormous. It could transform healthcare, transportation, education, and more. For example, AGI in healthcare might improve diagnosis and treatments, while AGI in transportation could lead to safer and more efficient autonomous vehicles. In education, AGI could customize learning experiences for individual students. However, there are also risks if AGI isn't developed responsibly. Job displacement, economic instability, and even threats to civilization are possible. To ensure positive outcomes, we need to invest in AGI research, address ethical concerns, and have regulations in place. In conclusion, AGI is a significant leap in technology with the potential for both positive and negative impacts. By navigating its development carefully, with a focus on ethics, we can create a brighter future for everyone. Could AGI pose a threat to humanity? The idea of an intelligent being matching or surpassing human intelligence sparks visions of groundbreaking innovations. However, every technological marvel comes with potential risks. AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is not without its dangers. Experts caution that AI advancements might lead to significant disruptions in our lives, yet there's no unanimous agreement on the extent of the threat AGI poses. Many experts argue that AGI itself isn't inherently risky, but rather it depends on how those in control wield this intelligent power. Aaron McClendon, the head of AI at Aimpoint Digital, emphasizes the need for widespread access to AGI. He suggests that if AGI brings about wealth and productivity gains, these benefits should be shared broadly rather than concentrated in the hands of a privileged few. Nigel Cannings, CTO and founder of Intelligent Voice, shares a similar perspective. According to him, a generally intelligent being would learn morals, reason, and judgment from its human teachers. The crucial factor lies in how humans guide these machines. Cannings expresses concern about the power wielded by those operating the machines, suggesting that any intelligent machine may only become a threat if directed inappropriately by its human controllers. Left to its own devices, it might lean toward fairness and impartiality in its interactions with humanity. As we approach the advent of artificial general intelligence, it's like standing at the edge of a big change. AGI has the power to completely transform different industries, create new opportunities, and boost what humans can do. But bringing AGI to life needs everyone to work together and think carefully. We must make sure that the good things about AGI are shared fairly and that we find smart ways to deal with any risks that might come with it. To sum it up, AGI is like a symbol of how much technology can grow, and it's also a signal for all of us to get ready. It's not just about tech progress, it's a reminder that we need to be ready for big shifts. If we welcome a future where AGI and people live and work well together, we can open up amazing opportunities and make a path to a better future. In conclusion, the quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI, marks a pivotal moment in the journey of artificial intelligence. The potential of AGI to emulate human cognitive abilities and revolutionize various industries is both promising and challenging. As we tread this path, it is crucial to address ethical concerns, define clear boundaries, and ensure equitable benefits from this transformative technology. However, the pursuit of AGI is not the end, but rather a significant milestone. The ever-evolving field of AI holds the promise of continual advancements with possibilities beyond AGI. The journey towards the ultimate AI achievement is an ongoing exploration, and it invites us to stay informed, engaged, and ready for the future of AI. If you found this exploration intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence.